Come join our meditation and wellness retreat. Engaging in this activity offers therapeutic benefits, such as stress reduction, mood enhancement, and improved cognitive function. Through repetitive, rhythmic movements, crochet encourages mindfulness and can act as a natural remedy for anxiety and low mood. It also fosters self-esteem by providing tangible accomplishments, while group crochet activities create opportunities for social connection and community support. Whether used as a grounding technique for coping with stress or as a structured hobby for maintaining mental balance, crochet serves as an accessible, enjoyable means to promote emotional wellness. 1. Mindfulness and stress reduction. Details. Mindfulness is the practice of focusing on the present moment without judgment. When you crochet, you engage in repetitive, rhythmic movements that demand your attention. This prevents your mind from wandering into stress-inducing thoughts. The counting of stitches, the texture of the yarn, and the flow of the pattern all contribute to a sensory experience that helps quiet the mind. This form of mindfulness can be beneficial for those prone to anxiety or rumination, as it encourages a shift from focusing on worries to being absorbed in the act of creating. Tips. Try incorporating breathing exercises as you crochet. For example, inhale as you insert the hook and exhale as you pull through the loops. This synchronizes breath with movement and deepens the calming effect. 2. Boosts mood and reduces anxiety. Details. Crocheting promotes relaxation, which can reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Additionally, the sense of satisfaction from completing a project releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter linked to feelings of happiness and reward. This makes crochet a natural, non-pharmacological way to improve mood and manage anxiety. Tips. On particularly stressful days, choose simple patterns that don't require too much counting or attention to detail. The aim is to keep the activity light and stress-free. 3. Enhances cognitive function. Details. Crochet engages several parts of the brain, including those responsible for focus, memory, and coordination. Learning and memorizing new patterns can challenge the brain similar to solving puzzles or learning a new language. This can help maintain cognitive agility and potentially delay age-related cognitive decline. Tips. If you want to enhance cognitive stimulation, try learning new and more complex patterns regularly. This keeps your mind engaged and prevents monotony. 4. Improves self-esteem and confidence. Details. Completing projects, even small ones, can significantly boost self-worth. The tangible evidence of effort, whether it's a decorative doily or a warm scarf, serves as a reminder of one's capabilities. This is especially powerful for individuals struggling with depression, where a sense of worthlessness is common. Tips. Document your projects by taking photos and keeping a journal that notes what you learned or felt during the process. Looking back on these entries can be a strong confidence boost. 5. Social connection and community. Details. Joining a crochet group, whether in person or online, fosters a sense of belonging. These communities often provide more than just pattern ideas, they offer support, encouragement, and friendship. For those feeling isolated or lonely, this type of connection can be vital. Tips. Engage in community projects, such as making blankets for charity or participating in crochet-along challenges. These activities give a sense of purpose and create bonds through shared goals. 6. Grounding and distraction. Details. For individuals dealing with PTSD, panic attacks, or severe anxiety, grounding techniques can be life-saving. Crocheting involves tactile and visual stimulation that can draw someone's focus back to the present moment. The physical act of working with yarn and seeing the project take shape can break the cycle of overwhelming thoughts. Tips. Choose yarns with textures that are soothing to you, whether it's soft, fluffy yarn or sturdy cotton. The tactile feedback can enhance the grounding effect. 7. Therapeutic for mental health disorders. Details. Crochet can be used as a complementary therapy in formal mental health treatment plans. Therapists may encourage clients to crochet as a way to manage symptoms between sessions. For those with depression, having a consistent, low-pressure hobby helps create structure and adds a sense of routine. For people with chronic pain or physical health issues that contribute to mental health challenges, crochet provides a gentle, manageable activity. Tips. Work with your mental health provider to integrate crochet into your self-care regimen. If you struggle with motivation, set small, achievable goals or join a class to create external accountability. More tips for getting the most out of crochet for mental health. Color therapy. Choose colors that evoke positive emotions. Soft pastels might be calming, while bright, bold colors can be energizing and uplifting. Mindful patterns. Consider using patterns that don't require too much counting if you want a relaxed session, but opt for more complex ones when you need a challenge to occupy your mind. Create a cozy space. Crochet in a space that is comfortable and free of distractions. This helps create an environment conducive to relaxation and focus. Personal testimonies and studies. Research has highlighted the therapeutic benefits of creative activities like crochet. A 2013 survey by the Knit for Peace initiative found that knitting and crochet reduce stress, improve well-being, and alleviate symptoms of pain and depression. Participant testimonials often emphasize that crochet provides a sense of purpose during difficult times, especially for those recovering from trauma or managing long-term mental health challenges. Key takeaway: crochet isn't just a pastime, it's a powerful tool for emotional well-being. Whether you are seeking stress relief, improved focus, or social connection, incorporating crochet into your life can provide a myriad of mental health benefits. Thank you for watching.